The final video to fix Kingdom Come. Deliverance II black screen crash on PC. And if you've been staring at a blank screen every time you launch the game, you're not alone. This problem usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, missing game files, or conflict with your system settings. And most solutions you find online are long, confusing, and full of steps that make it hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes it in just a few clicks without messing with complicated settings. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial to get your game running smoothly again, drop a comment below, and I'll guide you through everything quickly and safely.